Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover unsaved or deleted Word documents on Windows. So this is not guaranteed to work, and it definitely works best if you just accidentally removed it or was accidentally unsaved very recently. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give it a try, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the File tab up in the top left, and go down and select the info option on the left panel here. On the right side, you want to select manage document. Go ahead and left click on that and select recover unsaved documents. And then go ahead and open up the folder in here that usually has a bunch of numbers after it. Go ahead and open that up. And if you see anything that says unsaved, usually you can see the date modified in here, should help you out in identifying that. Go ahead and select it and then select open. And then at this point, if it is what you were looking for, you just would go ahead and select Save As, and then you would save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. You could access it from here on out, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.